the video on the fundamental concepts of the circular economy. In this lesson, we will explore the basic principles underlying the circular economy, a system designed to minimize waste, make the most of resources, and create a more sustainable future. In today's world, the traditional economic model follows a linear path. Raw materials are sourced, transformed into finished products, and eventually discarded as waste after use. This take-make-dispose approach assumes that resources are infinite and readily available, leading to environmental and economic challenges. The linear economy works on the assumption that resources are unlimited, but this is far from reality. As industries continue to deplete natural resources, we face the threats of resource scarcity and environmental degradation. To address these challenges, industries are increasingly embracing the principles of circular economy. Unlike the linear model, the circular economy prioritizes the reduction of waste and pollution, the optimization of material use, and the regeneration of natural systems. The circular economy is built on several key principles. These include designing products with longevity in mind in order to extend their lifespan, creating versatile items that serve multiple purposes, and systematically recycling materials back into the production process. The core 3R principles of circular economy, reduce, reuse, and recycle, aim to establish a circular system where materials are continuously recycled, energy is derived from renewable sources, and resources are utilized to create value while ensuring human health and society. A comprehensive approach to the circular economy is captured also in the 9R framework, which extends the core principles to include strategies like rethinking product use, repairing, refurbishing, and even manufacturing items to extend their life cycle. This 9R framework encourages a strategic shift in how we view resources, moving away from single use and switching to continuous cycles of use, creating a sustainable system that benefits both the environment and the economy. First, we begin with refuse. This principle encourages us to question the necessity of a product altogether. This might involve designing out of waste from the start of avoiding unnecessary products. Next, rethink challenges us to reconsider how products are used in order to find ways to use them more intensively. Reduce focuses on minimizing resource use by enhancing efficiency. This could mean using fewer materials in production or designing products that require less energy to operate. Reuse is about finding new life for products without the need of any processing. Repair extends a product's life through maintenance. Instead of discarding a product at the first sign of damage, repairing it can keep it in use longer. Refurbish involves restoring old products to their original state or better preparing them for a second life with renewed value. Remanufacture takes refurbishment a step further by using parts from discarded products to create new ones, reducing the need for new materials. Repurpose encourages creativity in finding new uses for old products or their components, even if these new uses are different from the original intent. Recycle is what many of us are familiar with, processing materials to reclaim value and produce new products, though often of a lower quality. Finally, recover deals with energy recovery, where waste materials are incinerated to generate energy. That is the last solution when other options have been exhausted. By adopting these principles, industries can transition to a more sustainable model of resource use, contributing to global efforts to mitigate environmental impacts and preserve natural resources for future generations. The circular economy presents a promising path forward, fostering sustainable development and offering a strategic response to the pressing issues of resource depletion and environmental degradation. As we move forward, understanding and applying these concepts will be crucial in shaping a sustainable future.